Contrastive and error analysis and second language acquisition. Contrastive analysis and error analysis emerged in the mid-20th century as linguistic learners to understand the challenges and errors encountered by the second language learners. Contrastive analysis was developed by Robert Lado in 1950. While error analysis was pioneered by Stephen Pitt Corder in the 1960s. Errors in the second language acquisition have been viewed as natural and informative, providing insights into the learner's evolving interlanguage systems. These errors are seen as evidence of learners' attempt to internalize the rules and structures of the second language. Understanding the nature of errors helps the researchers and educators tailor language instruction to address the specific linguistic difficulties encountered by the learners. The strong version of CAH, or contrastive analysis hypothesis, posits that all errors made by the second language learners can be attributed to the differences between their native and target languages. In contrast, weak version suggests that only some errors can be ascribed to the linguistic contrast. Criticisms of CAH include oversimplification of language learning processes, failure to account for cognitive factors and learner variability, and the dynamic nature of interlanguage development. Now, let's tackle the differences between the contrastive and error analysis. Contrastive analysis primarily focuses on predicting the learning difficulties of learners from specific language backgrounds by comparing their native and target languages. Error analysis, on the other hand, examines the errors made by the learners during the language production, seeking to understand their causes and implications for language learning. Now, let's talk about the interlanguage theory. Interlanguage theory was introduced by Seelenker in 1972. It proposes that second language learners develop linguistic systems that exhibit characteristics of both their native language and the target language. The interlanguage is dynamic and continuously evolving as learners interact with the target language environment. Understanding these theories can inform language teaching practices and contribute to the design of effective language curricula.